November 7th and 8th are scheduled for the Guyana Motor Racing and Sports Club end of the year circuit meet. Over the years, it has marked the conclusion to the Caribbean Motor Racing Championships. However, the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic has halted inter-region racing. But there is optimism that should the current situation improve, there could be at least the November showdown at South Dakota Circuit under strict health guidelines.
Strange enough, Akeem, I was talking to our competition chairman recently, and without a doubt, the answer is yes. Trinidad, as you said, and Guyana have been really supportive of each other for motor racing for many years for circuit racing, and quite recently for drag racing. So without a doubt, we have some, household names from Trinidad that races a lot in Guyana, from the likes of our chairman, Mr. Frankie Budram, to Franklin Budram and young Zachary, Christian Buddha Singh, Rabi Singh, young Daryl Singh, Bridget Singh. We also have Issa Dean and Aaron, and your good friend Aaron. So definitely we will, without a doubt, providing that things change, of course, that the borders open up and the system allows us to come to Guyana. You'll definitely see a large contingent of drivers, riders for your event in November.
On Tuesday, the Ministry of Health in Trinidad and Tobago confirmed that the total number of positive cases currently stands at 153, of which there are 18 active cases. The Twin Island had gotten 0 active cases in May and began a phased reopening of the country. Motor racing was given all clear to restart on June 20th, but the association said they already had drafted a plan on how they will operate when that restart would happen.
And that plan outlined a couple of initiatives that we needed to put in place for the restart. So we anticipated the restart would have been a few months, so we had it done and ready. So a couple of things that we have in that plan was, one, we were doing away with, prior to every race, we'd have a driver's briefing, where you could register and also driver's briefing the week before, a couple of days before the event. So we decided not to do that again. Instead, we'll do everything driver's briefing on Zoom. We also moved away from registration on that same night, and we decided to go for online registration. Online registration, and where everything was done in a digital format, so the riders, the drivers could enter. They could register online, and then they could make an appointment to meet one discipline heads or one of the executives.
Since no fans are allowed at Waterfield, they have started to live stream the event, which allows their sponsors to purchase various slots.
Our first event, we tested live stream at Waterfield. So we did that for karting, and then more so we did it for the entire first event post-COVID for drag racing. And that worked well. There's minor challenges with regards to the service at Waterfield, but it worked remarkably well. And going further, onwards, we're going to use a lot of live streaming for all events, not only for drag racing.
The president indicated that the racers have been disciplined and are fully complying with the rules implemented. The idea is that the formula they are using can be adopted and used in Guyana when approval is granted to recommence such activities. For the newsroom, Akim Green.